Welcome to M300 RTK tutorials. In this video, we will introduce how to use the M300 RTK to perform smart inspection. When used with Zenmuse H20 series camera, M300 RTK can provide powerful smart inspection, AI spot check, and high-res grid shooting functions to meet the daily needs inspection industry. Open DJI Pilot app. Tap Mission Flight. Select Create a Route, Waypoint, Set Waypoints. To plan or set waypoints on the map, select Create a Route, Waypoint, Set POI. Fly the aircraft manually to the target place. Press the shortcut button on the RC to set the current location to a waypoint. Each waypoint supports functions such as camera zoom, photo taking, and video recording. Aircraft flight actions can also be added to the waypoints. Land the aircraft. Tap Next. Edit flight routes. Add aircraft and camera functions. And tap to upload flight routes. After successful upload, tap Start Action, and the aircraft will automatically perform all preset flight route tasks. Select Create a Route, Waypoint, Set POI. Manually fly the aircraft to the target place. And use Zenmuse H20 or H20T to take photos. After this, the app will automatically create a waypoint and record the actions. Land the aircraft. Tap Next. Tap Start Drag Select to select the target object in the photo. When performing the same flight route task, the aircraft will perform AI spot check to the object. Tap to save. Tap to upload flight routes. After this, tap Start Action, and the aircraft will automatically perform all preset flight route tasks. Tap Menu on the right side of the screen. Select High-Res Grid, and a rectangle shooting box will appear in the wide-angle camera view. Tap to select a subject. Drag the box to a proper place and zoom to adjust its size. The camera will calculate how many photos need to be taken according to the zoom. Tap the shutter button and start auto shooting. After this, a pop-up window appears in the app. Tap View Results, and the camera will automatically compose a wide-angle photo. Tap each box of the photo to view super res details of this part. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.